Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how and where you can find your profile URL on Lovable AI. For instance, if you'd like to invite your co-editors and contacts to work with you on your website and app project. So let us guide you through it. So for this you will need to head back to the home section of Lovable AI or of your account and click into your profile icon in the very bottom left corner and select settings. After that, navigate to the account sections here, and here to the right guys you will see your profile URL. So you may, for instance, copy it, or if you click into it you will be redirected to that overview here with public projects you have published in your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.